He bought his first stock when he was 11 years old. He made $53,000 by the age of 16. He was rejected from Harvard Business School. He eats like a 6-year-old. He's lived in the same house since 1958. His father-in-law told him he would fail. People will pay millions to have lunch with him. In 2013, Buffett earned $37 million a day. Nearly 94% of his wealth was earned after he turned 60. He's never tweeted before. Buffett owns 20 suits, but has never paid for any. He spends 80% of his day reading. Buffett will give an employee $1 million every year for the rest of his or her life if they can guess the NCAA's Sweet 16 teams. He uses a Nokia flip phone. He takes a dozen kids to Dairy Queen every Sunday. Buffett rarely emails. He plays the ukulele. Buffett pledged to donate 85% of his Berkshire Hathaway stocks to charitable foundations. He was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by Barack Obama. Out of all investing legends, Buffett has the best track record for beating the market.